So, you're trying to delete unsubscribes in GetResponse, but it's not as straightforward as it should be. You're not alone. GetResponse, like many email marketing platforms, doesn't exactly make it easy to clean up your list. But in this quick explainer, I'll show you exactly how to do it, and at the end, I'll also share a better alternative that gives you more control over your list and comes with an exclusive extended free trial. Let's get into it. First, head to your GetResponse dashboard and go to Lists. From here, click on the list you want to clean up. You might think there's a simple Delete Unsubscribes button, but no, GetResponse doesn't work that way. Instead, you need to manually filter them out. Next, click on Search and use the filter to show only unsubscribed contacts. Once they appear, select All, and then choose Actions and GT Remove from List. Now, here's the catch: GetResponse only removes them from that list. It doesn't delete them entirely from your account. They're still stored in your system, potentially affecting your list size and costing you money. To fully delete them, you need to go to Contacts, filter for unsubscribed emails again, and this time, click Actions and GT, Delete Permanently. But even then, GetResponse sometimes prevents full deletion due to their historical data retention. Translation: they want to keep as much data as possible, whether you need it or not. If this feels frustrating, it's because GetResponse, like many email marketing platforms, prioritizes keeping user data over giving you full control. And if you're tired of these limitations, I've added a better alternative below that lets you fully delete unsubscribes, gives you better automation, and even offers an exclusive extended free trial through our link. Check it out in the description, along with some other great alternatives that might be a better fit for your email marketing needs.